Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a Chettinad style side dish that goes wonderful with idlis and dosas. This is Chettinad Vengaya Kosu. This is made with onions, tomatoes and some potatoes. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, first I'm going to grind a masala. To the mixer jar, add half cup of freshly grated coconut, quarter cup roasted gram, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1.5 teaspoons poppy seeds, 5 red chillies. You can break the chillies and add them. Grind it all first without adding any water. Now pour a little water and grind it all to a nice smooth paste. The masala paste is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. You can adjust the quantity of chillies according to your taste. To a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, a piece of cinnamon, a few cloves and cardamom, and a piece of stone flour and roast it. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add 2 onions thinly sliced, 2 green chillies slit, and a few curry leaves and saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Chop 1 large potato to medium-sized pieces and keep them in water. Add the chopped potatoes along with the onions and saute. If you don't have potatoes at home, you can do this recipe even without it. It's a very simple and easy dish to prepare. You can prepare this in just about 15 to 20 minutes. I have taken 4 medium-sized tomatoes. You can cut them into thin slices or finely chop them. I am adding it in slices. After 2 minutes, add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder and mix it all again. Let's cook the tomatoes till they turn soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add 1.5 cups of water and mix again and allow it to cook for about 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open the pressure cooker and check on the potatoes. You can see it's cooked beautifully, it's nice and soft. Now add the freshly ground masala paste and mix it all well. Add a cup of water, give it a quick mix. And let it cook for about 10 minutes till the raw smell goes. The gravy has been boiling for almost 10 minutes now and all the raw smell has gone. You can check for seasoning at this point and add salt if required. Finally, finish off by adding some fresh coriander leaves. This easy and delicious Chettinad Vengaya Kosu is ready to be served nice and hot with piping hot soft idlis and dosas. Well, it's time to taste this yummy and delicious and so easy to make Chettinad Vengaya Kosu. So I've made some nice hot steaming idlis and I can't wait to try this gravy with that. The flavors are just amazing. Such a simple dish, but the flavors are just fabulous. It goes so well with these nice soft steaming idlis. I really enjoyed that gravy with the nice hot steaming idlis. So next time, instead of making the usual chutney or sambar for your tiffins, do try this recipe, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.